Well, we ended up with a pretty large, two pretty large queen cells. They're almost 2 inches in length and almost an inch around. It's not burr comb. They just built them extra large for some reason. Yeah, they wouldn't fit in the hair roller cages or anything, so I just built these little boxes. There's some JZBZ Cups in there with some honey whenever they emerge. And you got little pins on the lids that go in the little holes, and the screen comes up on either side. So, all right, gotta move some queen cells. That was my first attempt, but I didn't have a good way to put any honey in there. Whopping big old cells, huh? All right, yeah. They even built out around the JZBZ Cup, but you can see in the light, it's in there. Anyway, let me get this back in the box. Alright, one down. That's A. One down, one to go. There's the second one. I started cutting at that one and it felt a little uncomfortable and quit. Decided to make something a little bit bigger. I was trying to shave that down so it would fit a cut. That was going to be difficult. That's wild how they did that, huh? Alright, in the incubator they go. I've got a little JZBZ cup in there with some honey in it. So, get it back in the incubator. Alright, here they are. All nice and happy. I just opened it a minute ago. 2 light bulbs, water, sponge and water, remote wireless sensor for humidity and temperature, and 2 fans on rheostat. One stays on all the time, and the other one stays on really low. That one right there stays on really low all the time. The other one just comes on when the heat's on. Alright, that's enough for tonight. Should hatch out. I think tomorrow or the next day I'll check.